I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit money to Exodus Wallet. Open your Exodus app and unlock your wallet before you begin depositing funds. Start by choosing the asset you want to buy or receive, then tap Receive for a crypto deposit or Buy for an on-ramp option. Verify the address carefully and copy it, or use the in-app bank /card flow for fiat purchases. Always double-check network and fees before confirming. Decide whether to deposit crypto or fiat, since each path has different steps and fees. For crypto, tap Receive, choose Coin and Network, copy the address or scan a QR code to send funds. For fiat, tap Buy, select your payment method, and complete verification if required. Keep small test amounts in mind for new addresses and monitor confirmations until the balance appears. Reach out to support if something seems wrong. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future crypto tips. Quick recommendation: Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that seal tightly and stack neatly for busy days. They keep salads fresh and prevent spills when you carry coins to coffee shops or do field work. Check the description for the product link and other deals. All right, now let's get back to the video. Prevent costly errors by matching the blockchain network to your asset, since wrong networks can cause irreversible loss. Always double-check addresses by scanning QR codes or comparing several characters when pasting. Be mindful of fees and network congestion, and consider sending a small test amount first. Keep your recovery phrase private and never share it, and use two-factor options where available to protect your funds. Contact Exodus support if unsure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.